Hello and welcome back to Retro Coffee Shop manual brochure help video. This is chapter 4, editing the file in Adobe Photoshop. In this chapter I'll show you how to edit basic elements of your template and the main differences between working in Adobe Photoshop CS5 and the CC versions. Once you download your template and extract it, in the PSD folder you'll see two different folders for CS5 and for the CC versions. Let's start with the CS5 version. First, let's open up Adobe Photoshop CS5 Extended. And let's open up the file. Oops. Let me open up this file. Once the file is open, in order to edit the colors in the CS5 version, you'll need to do it manually. So you can either click on the element, play with the colors, find the color you want to change it to, add color values, or simply add color values. Let's make this something red. Dark red. Okay, and the color is changed. To do this more quickly, because all these this template is created from different shapes, I'm gonna select the color I just used and I'm gonna make a lighter version of it. Now I'm gonna place the lighter version for the foreground and the darker version for the background color. In this instance, this is color 3, it's the darker version. So instead of going double clicking, selecting the color, etc., I'm just going to select the shape and then press Control Backspace for the darker color. Okay, this is Control Backspace. Okay, in this case I actually should make it a lighter color. Alt Backspace and it will fill with foreground color. When you press Alt Backspace, it will fill foreground color. Control Backspace fills the background color. Now I'm going to go to the next color and be Control Backspace, Control Backspace. So I got the darker color. And color 3, again, Alt Backspace. Basically, you'll have to do this throughout your entire menu. So if you're planning on purchasing this template, and you want to make significant changes to your colors, I suggest either working in Illustrator or InDesign. Voila, we have our colors changed. The same applies with text. If you want to change the color of your text, select the text you want to change. Alt Backspace is for filling in with the foreground color. Control Backspace is for filling with the background color. And voila, we have the text changed. Now, when it comes to editing text, it's quite simple. We double click on the text we wish to change. For some reason, it opened up like this. Okay. Double click on it and then simply type your text here, or copy and paste it, and you've got the text changed. Let's make this can happen in these older versions. Let's send it back to the original one. Lobster 1.3, and now select text and we're gonna, let's say, title. We add this title, and then let's make it $10. So I'm just gonna, okay, and basically you go through each and every element in this way. These are all paragraph texts, so you'll need to edit each and every one of these. It's going to take some time to edit this template. Of course, you have the outside and the inside page here. Here you have the print info where you can see different elements, and that's it. Now, before you send this to be printed, make sure to convert all the text in, actually rasterize it, so there would be no issues with printing. Save it and send it to your printer. Now, for the CC version, editing the colors is going to be a little bit more faster. And let's open up this file. Once the file is open, as you can see, instead of going through each and individual color change, all you have to do is change the color for the entire group. And let's say I want to make it green, and voila. The great thing about it is if you want to change the position of different objects, you can do it through, if you move your object, oops, let me select this. It should be title banner top, and top copy, top copy. Okay, this is title banner top, and let's say we wanna edit the placing of this banner. If we simply move it, the color will not be changed. It will follow the color of the entire group. Okay. Another thing that is different when it comes to CC versions is that you'll be able to utilize paragraph styles. And here we have all the different paragraph styles that are used. Let's say drink title. These are drink titles. Drink title only is when you don't have the description below. So we double click on the drink title. Let's say we want to change the font. We go here. There's our sans. For some reason, it's getting slower. Advanced character format, we don't change. Indents and spacings. Indents and spacings. Let's make this 10. And 10. Justification. It's let's go back to basic colors. We're just gonna make this 8 points. And voila! All the drink titles have been changed. The only thing left now is to simply copy your own. You can make it, let's make it 9. Okay, so the only thing left is now to add your own titles. Let's say this is, I'm just going to leave the titles here. So I'm just going to do copy, select all, paste. Now all I have to do is add this little dots, and I've got it changed. Now, of course, it's going to take you a little bit more time to edit these files when it comes to Photoshop. So I strongly recommend that you work when it comes to menus. InDesign is the best solution. Then InDesign is the best solution. Then Illustrator, and then Photoshop if you don't have any other choice. That was it for this chapter. If you have any questions, if you want to know a little bit more about this template, please don't hesitate to send me an email and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. This was the end of the basic tutorial on editing retro coffee shop menu brochure. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.